Hello everyone! Welcome to another travel vlog. Today we are flying to Bangkok, Thailand. Pagpasensyahan nyo na muna yung boses ko because it's just really been a busy week dahil to sa pagod at puyat. Kaya ito na, nawala na ako ng boses. Anyway, it's November 17 today and we are flying to Bangkok together with my cousins. This will be our first time to go out of the country together. Sobrang impromptu lang din itong trip na to because we have a cousin na balikbayan who's currently here in Manila. Nakita-kita kami last week lang, last Saturday actually. And napag-usapan lang namin if we can go out of the country. And ayun na, we checked the flights at nagkataon, affordable pa rin naman yung flight ni Bangkok. So ayan, we booked right there and then. So we are flying via Cebu Pacific this morning. Our flight is actually at 7:10 a.m. It's currently 2:30 a.m. Inaantay ko lang sina ate because they will be picking me up and we will go to the airport together. Yung flight nga pala namin kay Cebu Pacific, kahit last week lang kami nag-book, nakuha namin siya ng mga 17,000 per person. Go easy na yon with seats and 20 kilograms of baggage. We compared it with all the other airlines also that's flying to Bangkok. And still, at the time of booking, cheapest pa rin si Cebu Pacific. So, Cebu Pacific kami. And in Bangkok naman, we are booked again at Asia Hotel Bangkok. By the way, don't forget to fill out the eTravel PH Pass every time we're going out of the country. And Thailand also has their online immigration already. So, this is the website. You just go there. And then, halos kapareho lang siya ng eTravel Pass natin, yung mga information na hinihingi sa kanya. And then, they will send you the QR code through your email. So, this is the first time that we're going to do this with Thailand. So, tingnan natin kung kamusta yung process nila with this new online immigration. Okay, so antayin lang muna natin sina ate and then we will be on our way to the airport. See ya! Hello! Andito na kami, wala akong boses. Ayan na yung mga kasama namin. This is Ria and Grace. At yung dalawang makulit, kasama pa rin. Nandito na kami sa airport. Nakapag-check-in na kami. Tapos na kami sa immigration.
Yes.
Kakain muna kami ng breakfast.
Yes.
Time check, it's 5:30 a.m. Boarding time namin is 6:30. So, kakain muna kami. We'll see you in Bangkok. Ipapahinga ko muna yung boses ko.
Ay, makulit. Ay, makulit.
See ya! And we have already landed here in Bangkok. Welcome to Bangkok! Hi! We're already out of the immigration. Nandito na kami sa Thailand Airport. Yung Thailand immigration na QR code naman nila, hindi naman din namin pinakita. Pinakita niyo ba yung QR code nyo?
Okay.
Hindi naman, no? Passport lang.
Yes.
Tapos parang may record na sila. Ito, hindi namin maintindihan. Pero nag-work.
Oo.
Yung napuntahan niyang site, nagbayad siya ng $20. So, pareho naman yung QR. So, hindi namin alam kung bakit ganon. Please let us know in the comment section kung bakit merong site na may bayad. Pero yung sa amin, libre naman. Pero nag-work naman. Kaya lang sayang, nagbayad siya ng $20. But it's supposedly free, so be careful also. Anyway, kumuha kami ng transfer sa Klook. Airport transfer to the hotel para hindi kami mahirapan. So, punta daw kami sa gate 4. We look for our transfer first. May nakikita ako. May Klook. Check muna natin. Meron ditong sign ng Klook, so let's see if it's here. Nandito kami sa kabilang side. Doon kami nagpunta kanina. It's here pala.
Show me voucher, please.
Here. Show the voucher.
Okay. Should I go to Asia Bangkok, right?
Asia Hotel Bangkok, yes. Wait daw muna kami ng 10 minutes. Manggagaling pa sila sa parking. So, tingnan natin. Sana hindi kami magka-problema. Sana okay naman siya. Time check nga pala, it's 11 a.m. Nag-touchdown kami ng mga 9:30. So, nakalabas na kami ng 11 a.m. Mabilis naman din yung immigration nila. No problems naman. Ayan na, may sundo, may organizer sila. So, nandito na to yung driver namin. We're out! Tumawid kami. And, andito siya. Ayan, this is our van. I guess this is our van. Okay. Sasakay muna kami. Dito na kami sa van.
Yeah.
So far, so good. We are booked nga pala at Asia Hotel Bangkok. It's the same hotel that we booked last time because the hotel is a bit old, but we like the location and the price. Sobrang mura lang niya. For all of us, naka 2 rooms kami. 26,000 pesos yung na-charge sa amin for 3 nights, 2 rooms with breakfast. So, not bad na siya. Hopefully, we will also have a good experience with this trip. See ya! See ya!
See ya!
Nandito na po kami sa Cavitex. Halabas na kami ng coastal. Hatid na namin si Ria. Para lang kami nasa Manila. Hello, nandito na kami sa hotel. Time check, it's 12 noon. So from the airport to the hotel, 1 hour talaga yung travel time. Ito yung lobby ni Asia Hotel, by the way. Ayan siya. Iba na yung itsura niya from the first time we were here. So, nandito lang muna kami, nag-aayos kami ng luggage kasi hindi pa daw available yung rooms namin. 3 p.m. pa siya magiging available. So, iwanan muna namin yung luggage namin. By the way, yung airport transfer namin from Klook, okay naman. Hindi naman kami nagka-problema. Ito yung kinuha kong transfer. It's only 1,576.70 pesos for the 5 of us na from the airport to Asia Hotel. So, not bad na for the 5 of us. That's 1,500 with Klook discounts. Okay, so ngayon, iiwanan muna namin yung mga bagahe namin sa concierge para makapag-ikot-ikot na kami. Ayan, lalabas muna kami kasi gutom na kami. This is Asia Hotel Bangkok. Ayan yung labas niya. Maglalakad-lakad muna kami and look for something to eat. Pero magla-lunch kami kay Icon Siam.
Gutom na po mga person.
Gutom na. Meron din akong naalalang money changer na pinuntahan kami dito. So, pupunta din muna kami doon kasi wala pa kaming pera. See ya! Nandito kami sa 7-Eleven. Ito yung 7-Eleven nila dito sa Thailand. Kahanap lang kami ng something to eat first. Ano yan? Iniinit pa to. Ito yung kinuha namin. 35 baht. At saka ito, ewan ko kung magkano, 49. Beef steak, pang snack. Quick lunch, quick snack, 7-Eleven. Spinach and cheese sandwich. Ano yan?
Beef.
Ito yung beef.
Try mo. Mozzarella. Yan eh.
Ayoko yan, ang dami.
Ikaw na yan.
Ano? Ayoko din ito.
Masarap din to. Sarap.
Ate Bandi. Wala ba na tayo?
Pagdating namin ng Icon Siam, busog na kami.
Diba?
Hala, umaambon. Actually, umaambon. So, we'll see.
Peanut.
Baka hindi muna kami mag-money changer. Diretso na kami ng Icon Siam. Bumalik na kami dito sa hotel kasi lumakas yung ulan. Pero dito kasi sa Asia Hotel, it's connected to the BTS. So, ayan. May daanan siya papunta dun sa train station. So, dito kami dadaan. That's the entrance of the hotel. Magte-train muna kami papuntang Icon Siam. Alam niyo, walang marunong sa amin dito sa Bangkok. So, manghuhula lang kami actually. Ito lang yung nakapunta kami before pero hindi ako yung lead traveler. Nakikisunod lang din ako. So, tingnan natin kung saan kami makakarating. Ayan na yung train. Dito kami bibili ng ticket. May English. Select area of map. Ayan, si Sapan Taksim. Sabi dito kami bababa para mapunta kami dun sa boat kasi gusto kong mag-boat papuntang Icon Siam para ma-experience nila.
Sa'yo ba yun?
5 tickets. Ayan, 215 baht. Tingnan natin kung tama. Wala na akong barya.
Wala ka niyan.
Nag-accept. Sinuka niya.
Lumado yun.
Hindi. 100 lang.
Wala ka 100? Wala.
Dito na lang tayo. Teka, sa ano na lang. Ito na lang.
Okay. Doon na lang kami. Bye. Okay na. Nakabili na kami ng tickets. 5 tickets. Pababa kami ng Sapan Taxi. Sana hindi kami maligaw.
Sana.
Saan tayo sasakay?
Hindi na kayo maligaw eh. Kaliwa or kanan.
Kaya nga. We'll ask.
Tanong kayo Maria kung saan.
1 ticket.
Thank you. One way lang yan. Number 1 daw.
Number 1 daw.
Guys, go. Okay, paano gamitin? Ay, pag ito. Sa Pilipinas ka, hindi tayo nagaganito.
Okay, dito daw kami sa number 1 to Keha. Bumaba na kami dito sa Siam Station. Lipat lang pala kami dito sa kabila. Ito na pala yung train, platform 3. Ayan na, ayan na. Nandito na kami sa Sapan Taksin Station. So, lilipat naman kami dun sa ferry going to Icon Siam. It's supposed to be free. So, we'll see. Last time, it was free. Ayan na yung river. This is the pier. So, pupunta kami dito. Kasi parang dito yung station for Icon Siam. Yung ferry shuttle nila. Ayan, dito kami naglakad dati. So, it's here. May bayad na siya. Dito yung boat to Icon Siam. Ayan, so may bayad na siya. 8 baht. 8 baht round trip.
Round trip ba yun?
Ay, 8 baht per trip. Ito yung ticket. So, nakapila kami sa kanya. We're here, we're riding the boat. Ticket, put in the box. There's our boat. So this is the boat going to Icon Siam. Here, this is Icon Siam with Cookie Monster.
Kiko Machi.
Oh my God. I am here buying tom yum. Hindi ko mahanap yung dati naming tom yum. I don't know if it's the same one, but we'll try. Ito so far yung food namin. Ito yung tom yum. Let's see if it's good. This is our pad thai and the oyster omelette. Tapos ito, ano yan? What's that? Squid?
Giant.
Giant puset? Wow!
Giant set. Tandaan lang dun sa dulo.
We're eating already. Finally. Sorry, wala na akong boses. Ayan yung food namin.
Sige, hati. Sige,
Kuha na lang ka dyan.
Oh, sige. Tsagaan. Paano kainin yung puset?
Kunot. Kunot na. Huwag mo yan, yung katawan na lang. Yung buntot na.
Masarap din tong ano, tom yum.
Pwede. Pwede dip mo lang.
I don't know if it's the same, pero masarap, no?
Yes.
It's good.
Ito na kayo na to. Sabay ka na marami.
Sorry, hindi na namin alam kung saan kami bumili. Kasi sobrang dami niyang tindahan sa baba. Nakakaligaw. Nagkaligaw kami. But so far, everything is good.
Ako sa bungasin.
Let's try
Yan tama lang.
the pad thai. Pad thai is okay. Huh?
Thank you po.
This is 180 baht.
Ito 100.
This is
100.
100 baht.
Nabuko is 80.
180 yung pop.
180 yung oyster.
Oo, sir.
180 yung oyster.
120 ko.
120 yung malaking squid. 80 yung buko. 80 baht. Magkano to?
100.
100.
This is 80.
100 si pomegranate.
This is 120 for 7 pieces.
Magkano si papaya?
190.
190 si papaya salad. And,
Ano nga yung pangalan?
ang sarap nito.
Ano? Ay, crab meat. Crab meat.
Kaya pala,
Torta. Parang
Ako binom ng
7
Ang sarap.
pieces.
magkano?
120.
120 baht. So, mga magkano? Mga more or less
Nawala ako.
2,000 baht. Total natin, no?
Mga ganun. 2,000.
Yung kinain namin. So, mga 2,400 pesos. Kain muna kami eh.
Niluto talaga nila.
Oo, makaiwas.
Mango sticky rice.
How
Ayan.
much?
This one's also 100. This one together 150.
150, 100. Nagmahal na. 70 siya dati. Nandito na kami sa mga tiyangge-tiyangge. Nahanap niya yung hinahanap niya.
Passport holder.
Ayan,
Kala bibili kayo mango sticker.
100.
Yung dry?
Pancake.
Yung fresh?
Pancake. Crispy pancake.
What's on the toppings? Ano yung orange? Ano yung orange?
Ako ito. I'll try.
Ano yung orange?
Marami na lang.
Parang carrots. Nakita mo ba?
Ito yung sweet something.
This is 150.
Ano yan?
Try mo, try mo. Pitos. Nasa Thailand ka na rin lang eh. Kumakain ka nito.
Masarap naman.
This is some...
Pero para may buko. Our mango sticky rice. 150 baht.
Ito yung sa chicharon.
Wala kang papatalo. Siyempre, kailangan mga tatlong ganyan kainin mo. Oo.
Grabe, parang nakumain yung mantika nito.
Yung fake, ako yung grasshopper. Ay, ako na yung grasshopper.
Kiss the camera.
Daming ng sanga. Daming ng kanina. Parang kumain ng tinik. Puro tinik na. Ay, oo. Yung mahal niyan, 150 ha. Magkano yun? 273 yan.
Okay lang, walang lasa. Ba't nagustuhan na?
Parang kasi chicharon.
Maganda pala dito sa taas.
Kasama namin si Kikochi.
Maganda dito sa 7th floor.
I went there. That's the tallest eh. That's the highest.
Hello! Dito na pala kami nagpalit sa Super Rich. Walang lumabas. Hello. Nakuha na namin yung room key namin. And I will show you our room here at Asia Hotel. So this is the hallway. And this is our room number 773. And this is our room. Tada! Ayan siya. This is supposed to be triple sharing. Inaantay lang namin yung bed. So ayan yung itsura niya. 2 single beds. May side table. Ito na yung... May 2 chairs. May table din. Ito yung mga takeout namin. Crispy pork, makopa. There's a dresser. Uy, yung pintuan. It's just very simple. But at least it's clean. Ayan yung ref. Bottled water. Ito yung pomegranate juice na favorite namin. This is the cabinet. And here's the restroom. What's good about this hotel is my bidet. There's the shower. Simple lang. Yung typical mga old hotels. But not bad na. There. How do you like the room?
Good, very good. Good.
It's good enough because again, this is like mga 3,000 a night. Mga 3,500 with breakfast na. Per night, buffet breakfast pa siya. So, yun pa yung total na binayaran ko for the 2 rooms for 3 nights is mga nasa 27,000 for the 5 of us with breakfast. 3 nights, yes. So, that's it. Bababa lang kami. We will check kung yung kinainan namin dati, yung sa street, nandyan pa sila. And if they are there, we will have dinner. Okay, let's go.
Bye.
See ya.
Yeah, bye.
No.
Oh, parang wala na sila. Malinis na. O baka maaga pa. Pero hindi. Hapon, nandyan na sila eh. Guys, wala sila. So, 7-Eleven na lang kami ko na. This sandwich is good. Dito na lang yung pagkain namin. We're back in the hotel. Kasi nga hindi kami nakapag-dinner kay Kuya. Wala na sila. Anyway, we're going to end our day 1 in Thailand here. It's 8:30 p.m. Magpapahinga muna kami. So there, good night.
Bye. Good night. Kiki, Mansur. Thank you.
Good night.